Yes, student. Next one is effect of temperature. Student, you know that the temperature is directly proportional to the kinetic energy, okay, of reactant or product. That is, it directly affects the equilibrium constant what Kc by altering the reaction. Now the most important thing is by altering the reaction means what? Means if the forward reaction is exothermic, that is takes place at low temperature, that is reaction takes place by decrease or release of heat. Okay, then on increasing temperature, the reaction will shift to opposite direction, that is endothermic direction, means absorbing energy, and if we decrease temperature, then will shift to forward direction, Okay. If reaction is endothermic, or exothermic, whenever temperature will affect the reaction, okay. Example, N2 plus 3H2, it gives 2NH3 plus, suppose there is a del H value, that is minus 92.0 kilojoule per mole. Here what it shows, the negative sign shows that the forward process is exothermic. Negative means exothermic. So the forward process becomes what? Exothermic. Now we know that in equilibrium reaction, the exothermic forward as well as backward reaction also takes place. Means now the backward reaction will become what? Endothermic. So if we increase the temperature, that means what? The reaction takes place by absorbing heat. So which reaction takes place by absorbing it? It is clearly shows that the forward is exo, means backward is endo, means takes place by absorbing heat. So on increase in temperature, reaction will shift to what? Heat absorbing direction. Simply what we can call it? We can call it what? By heat absorbing direction, which is backward in this condition, This is applicable for this particular reaction where the forward direction is exothermic. But if we took second example, like N2 plus O2, it gives to NO. Getting? To NO. And suppose the tonnage value of the reaction is plus 180.0 kilojoule per mole. Isn't it? Now what? Now the forward reaction becomes what? Endo. Why? Because the sign is a plus. So it shows that forward direction is endo. Means its backward direction will become now what? Exothermic direction. So if we increase temperature, the reaction will proceed to heat absorbing direction. Again I am using the term what? To heat absorbing direction. Okay, that is endothermic direction. Means for this special case it will become what? Endothermic direction means now become what? Forward direction. But again this is applicable only for these particular reaction where the forward process is endothermic. Remember, here the forward process is exothermic, therefore takes place to backward direction. But here the forward process is endothermic, therefore it will take place to backward direction. Now how do we find again endo and exo? By getting the sign of what? Enthalpy change. It is negative, so exo, it is positive, so endo. And its opposite reaction will become opposite sign.